Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch that illuminates the world. Every mind is an open canvas ready to be painted with ideas. We care, we nurture, fostering excellence together. Welcome to Indrashil University, where education isn't just about learning, but about transforming lives. The university thrives as a vibrant melting pot, enriched by its unique blend of cultural diversity. Students and faculties from different regions, backgrounds and perspectives come together to create a truly inclusive and dynamic community. Indrashil University offers a meticulously designed curriculum across its departments of life sciences, pharmacy and engineering. Students benefit from a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application, with a strong focus on research, skill development and industry readiness. The university boasts state-of-the-art laboratories and advanced machinery tailored to the needs of each discipline. Life sciences students engage in cutting-edge biotechnology research, while pharmacy students work in fully equipped labs for drug formulation and testing. Engineering students benefit from high-tech workshops and modern design studios that promote innovation. With a campus designed to inspire learning, the infrastructure includes not only specialized labs but also well-stocked libraries, collaborative workspaces, and industry-grade equipment that bridges the gap between academia and real-world applications. But that's not all. We also offer hostel facilities, an eco-friendly campus, and accommodations that feel like home. Because a vibrant campus life is as important as academics.
I'm having an amazing experience over here at Indrashil University.
This university focuses on research and innovation in science, which has been a key motivator for me.
This university is a place where student can grow, develop and can nourish his or her skills at advanced level.
And our students who have done PhD from here, they are placed in very good places, good organization, and that is the testimony of our quality of our student. And as I said, this is a research university. We have over close to 50 students who are doing for PhD at present, and more than 20 students have already done PhD and gone to different places.
Indrashil University was founded by Dr. Rajiv I. Modi as a tribute to his parents, Shri Indravadan Ambalal Modi and Srimati Sheila Ben Modi. Indrashil University carries forward the visionary legacy of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. As Gujarat's first university dedicated to life sciences, it stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence. Our goal: to empower students with skills, innovation and entrepreneurial mindset. And what sets us apart? It's our unwavering dedication to affordable innovation, ensuring that quality education is accessible to all. The faculty at Indrashil University form the backbone of its academic excellence. With extensive experience from reputed institutions and industries, they seamlessly blend academic rigor with practical application.
We have a student startup and innovation policy which creates students' idea and converts this idea by nurturing into the prototypes, and these prototypes can later on be converted into the business models as a commercial products through our Atal Incubation Center. And we are the only private university in state having Atal Incubation Center from the Niti Aayog Government of India.
A key highlight is the university's exclusive placement opportunities with Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a leader in the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. Additionally, the university offers a unique double degree program, enabling students to gain specialized expertise in 2 disciplines. Industry Ties provides opportunities for sponsored projects and internships, bridging the gap between academics and real-world applications. Indrashil University also believes in a global perspective. With partnerships across the world, students participate in international exchange programs, learning from diverse cultures and preparing for global opportunities.
I am Dr. Bharat Chapaneria, has been with this organization for 40 years, and I am a founder doctor. Sri I. A. Modi was a founder and chairman of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. He hailed from the small town, and having seen the plight of the people then, he had in his mind that when fortune favors him, he would create a healthcare institute in his own area. As a result, the infrastructure and the facility that we see is a consequences of that determination. We thought that we would be able to put up primary care, but having been here for 40 years and seen the plight of the people and treated the people here, and our continuous and sustainable engagement with the people and a determination to serve the community made this organization technically very sound and caring for the community. We have a temples. A healthcare is incomplete without the blessing of God. So we have a prayer centers, we have cure center. So it's a very holistic and comprehensive center where people have solace and blessings from the God as well.
It's not just about earning a degree here. It's about creating a future. At Indrashil University, our mission is clear: to foster innovation, build a skilled workforce, and contribute to society through impactful research. We envision a future where our students are change makers, solving global challenges with expertise and creativity. Indrashil University isn't just a place to study, it's a place to grow, innovate, and thrive. So if you are ready to ignite your future, join us. Because at Indrashil University, the fire of learning never stops burning. Get enrolled today. Your future's first step starts here.